Friends, today we are learn about carbon nanotubes and its applications. A primary obstacles for applications of carbon nanotubes has been their cost. Prices for single valent nanotubes declined from around $1,500 per gram as of 2000 to retail price of around $50 per gram as produced 40 to 60 percentage by weight SWNDS as of March 2010. As of 2016, the retail price has produced 75 percentage by weight SWNTS was $2 per gram. Current application. Current use and applications of nanotube has mostly been limited to the use of bulk nanotubes, which is a mass of rather unorganized fragments of nanotubes. Bulk nanotube materials may never achieve the tensile strength similar to that of individual nanotubes, but such composites may nevertheless yield strength sufficient for many applications. Bulk carbon nanotubes have already been used as composite fibers in polymers to improve the mechanical, thermal, and electrical properties of the bulk product. Eastern Bell Sport have been in partnership with Zyworks Performance Material using CNT technology in a number of their bicycle components, including flat and riser handlebars, cranks, forks, seat posts, stems, and aero bars. Hamroy Europe OY manufactures high tonite carbon nanoepoxy resins where carbon nanotubes have been chemically activated to bond to epoxy, resulting in a composite material that is 20% to 30% stronger than other composite materials. It has been used for wind turbines, marine paints, and variety of sports gear such as skis, ice hockey sticks, baseball bats, hunting arrows, and surfboards. Surrey nanosystem synthesis carbon nanotubes to create Vantablack. Other current applications include tips for atomic force microscope probes. In tissue engineering, carbon nanotubes can act as scaffolding for bone growth. Under development, current research for modern application include utilizing carbon nanotubes as the channel material of carbon nanotube field effect transistors, using carbon nanotubes as a scaffold for diverse microfabrication techniques, energy dissipation in self-organized nanostructures under influence of an electric field, using carbon nanotubes for environmental monitoring due to their active surface area and their ability to absorb gases. Under development, Jack Andraka used carbon nanotubes in his pancreatic cancer test. His method of testing on the Intel International Science and Engineering Fair Garden E. Murray Award in spring of 2012. The Boeing company has patented the use of carbon nanotubes for structural health monitoring of composites used in aircraft structures. This technology will greatly reduce the risk of an in-flight failure caused by structural degradation of aircrafts. The Cybex Technologies has also built a 54 maritime vessel, the Piranha unmanned surface vessel, as a technology demonstrator for what is possible using CNT technology. CNTs help to improve the structural performance of the vessel, resulting in a lightweight 8000 IB boat that can carry a payload of 15,000 IB over a range of 2,500 miles. Carbon nanotubes can serve additive to various structural materials. For instance, nanotubes form a tiny portion of the material. In some primarily carbon fiber, baseball bats, golf clubs, car parts, or Damascus steel, IBM expected carbon nanotube transistors to be used on integrated circuits by 2020. Session ends. Thank you.